Very good morning to one and all present here. Welcome to this inauguration function of 5 days faculty development program on SolidWorks 2024 and 3D experience. This includes hands-on experience on solid modeling, FEA, CFD, MBD, with special emphasis on SPPU curriculum of different courses at SEPP. This MBD is being organized by Department of Mechanical Engineering jointly in association with Infinite Learning Solutions. First 2 days, that is today and tomorrow, we will conduct offline sessions, and next 3 days we will conduct online sessions. On this occasion of inauguration ceremony, let me introduce the honorable dignitaries of the dais. Soon, our ex-chairman Sunil Redekar sir will be joining. He will take 5 to 10 minutes more to join us. We have with us Professor Ranjit Roskar sir, Director of Planning Institute and Director of PVMC and GKP Avayam. Chief guest of today's function, Dr. P. A. Patil sir, Chairman, Board of Studies, Mechanical Engineering, Savitribai Phule University. Then Principal of our college, Dr. M. R. Paramare sir. Our special guests and expert speakers from Dassault Systems, Mr. Ashish Kulkarni and Mr. Neil Desai, Senior Managers at Dassault Systems and 3D Experience Edu-Process Consultants. Our co-host, Mr. Vikram Jarmo and Mr. Samir Ladkar, the directors at IIM Academy, are also blessing me. I, Dr. M. Gaiswal, the one of the coordinators of this event, welcome all dignitaries, the enthusiastic participants, faculties from different colleges, and faculties from the post-institute as well. I now call upon our co-host and director of Infinite E-Learning Solution, Mr. Samir Ladkar, to give the overview of various sessions which will be held during this episode. Please, sir.
Thank you, sir, for the introduction. Myself, Samir Ladkar, Technical Director, IFS Academy and Infinite E-Learning Solutions Private Limited. I welcome you all for the 2 days faculty development workshop on Dassault Systems, SolidWorks and 3D Experience, which will be extended to online sessions for a 5 days faculty development program. I am really glad to have a huge number of participants from various colleges who are gathered here for this 2 days hands-on sessions at PVG. Dignitaries on the dais and all the faculty members, I welcome you all. PVG was one of the pioneering colleges who adopted Dassault Systems, SolidWorks and 3D Experience platform softwares for their mechanical engineering course curriculum as well as for future careers of their students. So being a pioneer institute for Dassault Systems, when they actually procured this software, we had a lot of interactions with the head of the department, principals, that it has to be reached to other colleges also so that they know that such kind of facility is available at PVG, because they not only upgraded their softwares but they upgraded their laboratories with high-end servers and computers also. So then we started rethinking about what can be done as per SPPU course curriculum. So when we went to SPPU curriculum, we found that we have various subjects which are basically related to these softwares, mainly solid modeling for second year, and then we have finite element analysis, computational fluid dynamics and multi-body dynamics, which also includes some part of kinematics and a small assignment on CAM. So this was the entire portfolio which can be carried out by using SolidWorks software. So then what we did is we invited a lot of industry people who are actually working on these tools in the industry. We took help from people who are working at Dassault Systems and then prepared a content which is in line with SPQ course curriculum. So how can we use the software for actually performing the hands-on work exercises using that tool? And then our industry experts prepare the content, we prepare the step-by-step procedures, we prepare the videos, and then we started interacting with colleges. But eventually we found that unless and until faculties are not coming at a central place wherein our instructors are not guiding them, they will not do it themselves. So then we thought of it has to be a hands-on session. So everybody should come for the FTP like a student, leave everything behind in your college, whatever duties you are assigned, and be here for 2 days and do the hands-on session on computers by using the software, so that you will have that hands-on experience. And when you go back, then you can revise your assignments and start implementing it to your students. So that was the main motto how we basically decided. So the entire FTP planning was done in that way. So today what we will be doing is, first half we will be having our inauguration sessions. Then Ashish and Milind from Dassault Systems, they will guide you about 3D experience platform, how it can be beneficial for engineering institutes, faculty, students, and overall administrative as a college, how it can be beneficial. That will be one part. Then second half, we will be having the solid modeling assignments hands-on session, and industry expert is coming and delivering you the sessions as per the course content of STB. I know it may not be possible that all the subjects are for this semester. Some of them might be for first semester, some of them will be for second semester. But we are trying to cover the entire package. So that's why today we will have solid modeling session. Tomorrow, next day, we will have hands-on session on FEA, CFP, MVD, which is part of MBA analytics both, and a small assignment on SolidWorks CAM also. So we will try to have hands-on session on these two. Tomorrow also an industry expert is coming and delivering the session. Once 2 days hands-on session which are offline at PVG are over, then the next 3 days we will have instructor-led online training regarding solid modeling assignments which are there in our curriculum. We will try to cover them again so that you will have step-by-step procedure and you will understand the assignments, how to do it using the software. So this is how the entire FTP is being planned. And once we cover the third day's email ID. So this is how the entire FTP is being planned. So I request all the faculty to take as much as benefits as you can, because we have people from Dassault Systems, even we have chairman board of studies, so he is also there to guide. We had a lot of discussions regarding the assignments or the curriculum, how the next MEP curriculum is going to be, how the software will play a vital role in such kind of trainings. And our industry experts who are having not only the academic experience, but they are having industry exposure. So basically, I would say SPPU assignment is only one part of it. But as a faculty or as a teacher, you should teach students other than the curriculum also. Because when the engineers are going to pass out and get into the industry will be actually scrutinizing them about their knowledge. So if it is only limited to SPPU assignment, it's definitely not going to be helpful. So you have to teach them how industry is using these tools and what industry wants from the fresh mechanical engineers who are passing on. We are, as a Dassault System reseller, are always there for you if you want some inputs from our end with regards to the tools, what industries are looking for in terms of mechanical engineering. We are ready to support you. We have got a lot of job descriptions ready, which we can definitely share across with you. So if the faculty wish to take it at a next level of training, then we can definitely do it. So I thank for all the participants for gathering here, and special thanks to the management and all the faculty of PVG for giving us a platform to arrange such kind of a wonderful FTP. That's it from my end. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. share few words. Good morning.
Honorable Sri S.P. Redekar sir, the Chairman of Pune Vidyarthi Grah and the Director of Pune Vidyarthi Grah and Pune Vidyarthi Grah College of Engineering and Technology. Honorable Sri R.J. Paduskar sir, the Director of our PVG's College of Engineering and Technology and GPPI in Pune. Our beloved Principal Dr. M.R. Tarambade sir. Dr. P.A. Patil sir, the POS Chairman of Mechanical Engineering SPPU. Mr. Milind Desai sir, the Senior Manager Dassault System. Ashish Kulkarni, the Senior Manager from Dassault System. Our joint partner Mr. Vikram Jadhav, the Director of the Infinite Solution. Mr. Samir Latkar, the Director of Infinite Solutions. Program Coordinator Professor Dr. Naresh Jaiswal sir, Professor Mahesh Kamble sir, various sets of department and all the participating faculties from several engineering colleges and from our college. It's a proud moment for my department to organize this FDP, which gives exposure to SolidWorks and 3D Express software. As per the demand from our placement officer, that is Dr. Jaiswal sir, we took initiative for purchasing this additional software, though we are having the Provi software. I am thankful to the College Management Authority for purchasing 60 license copies of this heavy software and hence purchasing the 60 high-end configuration computers costing each computer 1 lakh rupees. Thus our computer lab is fully developed with this software. I am very thankful to my management authority for taking such an initiative for my department. Also I am taking opportunity to Dr. P.A. Patil sir, the US Chairman, for giving approval to our 2 value-added 1-year certification courses from this year. And proud to say that yesterday we have finished the first module of 20 hours, which was combinedly conducted in association with Fakulkar Academy and Accredited Industry. These courses are approved for our college students by the SPPUs. I am very thankful to US Chairman for giving this kind of the opportunity for our students. We are having long association with Dassault System since 2016 via Product Innovation Lab, and the outcome of this, our many sponsored projects are showcased in the global event of Dassault System, and many of our students are shouldering higher positions in Dassault System. Now, let us talk about my department. That our department was established in the year 1991 with sanction intake of 60. Our intake is increased to 120 in the year 1996. Our department is twicely accredited by MBA and NAC and got also A+ grade into second cycle in the year 2018. And now we are waiting for NAC committee visit to accredit us with A++ grade. We are having PhD Research Center of SPPU. 2 students completed their PhDs, 2 are submitted the PhDs, 4 are pursuing the PhDs. Total faculty strength of my department is 20 with 6 doctorates, 2 are about to complete and 4 are pursuing the PhDs. Proud to say that 2,400 plus students have graduated and shouldering the higher positions in reputed MNCs like Tyson Group, Cummins, Dassault, etc. The strong alumni bond developed robotics and automation lab last year, which was inaugurated by Padma Shri Padma Bhushan Dr. Raghunath Mashetkar. We also got the first prize in Maharashtra in Supra competition in the year 22-23 and the 3rd rank in All India rank at the national level. We are running 5 other courses in several domains like robotics automation, electric vehicle, artificial intelligence, and these courses are taught by the industry experts. Thanks to our principal and management authority for this initiative. I hope that the exposure to this 3D Express software will be a helping hand in boosting the careers of our beloved students. I once again thank to Infinite Solutions and Dassault System for this kind of collaboration with us. Thank you. Thank you.
चांगली सुरुवात होण्यासाठी तुमच्या सहकार्याने पूर्ण सगळे उपक्रम चांगल्या पद्धतीने इन्क्लूड व्हावे विद्यापीठामध्ये अशी विनंती.
Thank you, sir. I now request our Director, Professor R.J. Koduskar sir, to felicitate Mr. Milind Desai.
इकडे करतो त्यांच्याकडे तारा.
I request Dassault sir to felicitate Milind Desai sir.
Yes, sir. Welcome, sir.
This time I request Professor R.J. Koduskar sir to felicitate Mr. Ashish Pulkar. We have co-host directors of Infinite Factuly Solutions. They are helping us a lot. So I again request our HOD, Dr. M. Bumkar sir, to felicitate Mr. Vikram Jadhav. Thank you, sir. Our Director, Professor R.J. Koduskar sir, to address us.
A very good morning to all. Ex-chairman of Pune Vidyarthigara and the director of PVG and PVG's College of Engineering Technology and G.K. Patel Institute of Management, Sri Sunil Redekar, the chief guest of this faculty development program, Dr. P.A. Patel, Chairman Board of Studies, Mechanical Engineering, Savitri University, our senior consultant, Mr. Milind Desai from Dassault System, Mr. Ashish Kulkarni, he is also one of our regular, what we can say, supporter, consultant to all our technical activities of college, particularly mechanical engineering. Shri Ashish Kulkarni, Senior Manager, Dassault System. Our co-host and those who really make this happen, that we should go for the solid works and let the system should be upgraded. Our co-host, Mr. Vikram Jadhav, Director, IFS Academy, and Mr. Samir Latkar, Technical Director, IFS Academy. Principal of the college, Professor Dr. Manoj Taramble, Head of Mechanical Engineering Department, Professor Dr. M. Bumkar, the Program Coordinator, Professor Dr. N.G. Jaiswal, Professor M. Kamble, all the faculty members from various engineering colleges in mechanical engineering, the faculties from this college, from Mechanical Engineering Department, HODs, Deans of this college. I, Professor R.J. Koduskar, Director of the college, with an immense pleasure, extend my warm welcome to you all for this 5 days faculty development program, which is in blended mode on SolidWorks 2024 and 3D experience with hands-on workshop on FEA, CFD, MBD kinematics, solid modeling, and that to be as per the SPPU course curriculum. My dear faculties, this wonderful gesture of IFS Academy and a good initiative by our training placement interactive dean, Professor Dr. N.G. Jaiswal, and IFS Academy come forward with us to have this training to the faculty. Because when we pursue these softwares and the supporting hardware for it, it was decided that whatever benefits we will be giving to our students, we will have interact with the SPPU authorities and we'll have specific course, because that was in our mind, because Dassault System is associated with our college for last more than 6 years. We are having association 7 years, and Dassault System was behind us for so many years. That why don't we have such type of courses to be run in collaboration with them? But fortunately, the Samir Latkar from IFS Academy make it happen, and we could go for the 60 license and maybe the upgraded version of 60 pieces for supporting that software. And it was at that time decided that we will have a particular course to be designed on this for the benefit of students, and we will interact with the university and so as to get a faculty upgradation program with the important software. because nowadays we are all facing the challenges, those who are the faculty, that every walk of life, we are having an artificial intelligence and AI coming in a big way in all aspects, even whichever areas you talk or whichever part of product or life you say, there is an AI. And when there is a challenge of AI to be introduced in all those design development, I think this software part plays a key role in all those design development. And as you people, maybe many of you, those who have been having long term in the mechanical, they know CAD/CAM, ProE, CATIA and all those, they are conversant with them. But SolidWorks is like what we can call the parametric 3D modeling. 3D experience, and when they have been collaborating with each other, will have a cloud leverage, which is going to be one of the advantage of 3D experience. So I think when we study both these softwares, it will make the design of mechanical components of any application, whether it's an automobile, whether it's an airplane, whether it's jigs fixtures, whether it's a furniture or whatever. You mention it, it will be getting designed, and I think that's most important. And with the present era of advancement of technology, with artificial intelligence coming in big way in all the applications, and at the same time we are all pressurized and of the opinion of any implementation in all the areas where skill enhancement is an essential aspect. So software skill upgradation and how to effectively use these softwares is most challenging one, because what we heard, SolidWorks is definitely has to be practiced, and then only we can guide to the students. So unless until we practiced it, we can't guide. And I think to have these skills to be diffused among the students, it is necessary that SolidWorks background should be clear. We should have the clear practice of it. Though we have been very much conversant with CATIA V5 or maybe ProE or CAD/CAM designs, but still a specialized software will require specialized efforts, and for that purpose I think we are thankful to IFS Academy and also the university authorities for permitting our college to hold this 5 days blended mode workshop on this SolidWorks 2024 and 3D experience for all the faculty members, because unless until the faculty is not going to expose to those skills or those specialities of these softwares, it is very difficult to guide the students and cater the projects which is important for mechanical engineering department. So it's the blended mode which is already been specified by the department, and Mr. Samir Latkar, who is the co-host of this, he has already mentioned that 2 days you will be having hands-on here, you will be having an offline sessions here, and 3 days the instructor-led online sessions. So these 5 days will be very much effective. So my appeal to all the faculties that after offline, please join those online sessions, because they are also equally important, because unless until you are not having those type of sessions gone through your practice, it is very difficult to understand in clear. So that's why the program is defined for 5 days, 2 days offline, 3 days online. And my appeal that everyone should take a benefit of both the sessions and upgrade themselves. And I must give thanks to IFS Academy and SPP authorities for allowing PVG to host this 5 days FDP. And I congratulate Dr. Munkar, NG Jaiswal sir and Professor Imam Kamble for taking the initiative from the Mechanical Engineering Department to host this FDP for 5 days. So with these words, my best of luck to you, and let the 5 days sessions will be fruitful and will be benefit to the upliftment of the knowledge of the students of mechanical engineering. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. May I please call our Honorable Vice Chairman, Dr. P. Patil sir, to address us.
Good morning, everyone. Honorable Chairman, Shri Redekar Sahib, Kaduskar sir, Director, Tarambai sir, respected Tarambai sir, Principal of this college, Bumkar sir, Head of Department and my close friend, Dassault System team, Bilin sir, Ashish sir, Infinite Solution team, Samir sir, and my dear participants. Initially, I was worried that the participant strength should not be less than the guest strength. Because I was the sixth member here. But fortunately, I think still few benches are remaining. Now we are on the verge of implementation of NAP 2020. Most of the colleges, especially autonomous and private colleges or private universities, have already implemented last year. No, sorry, this is current year. But still, the NEP's essence is not finding in most of the implementation strategies. NEP is nothing but disruption in higher education. We have to do that. 60 to 70% skill-based courses should be there. Only there is a 30 to 40% general component. So we have to change our education system. I think there are 4 verticals of higher education institutes. First is student, second is faculty, third is infrastructure, and fourth is curriculum. As far as curricula is concerned, as most of you are from affiliated colleges from SPPU, BOS will look after this curriculum, and we are working on curriculum design. Some of the important features of the curriculum design, we are mainly working on formative assessment strategies. That is our main motto. Second important feature that we are targeting, there are almost 14 to 20 credits of multidisciplinary courses, and these courses to be taught by mechanical faculty. That is our call, that is our proposal to the BOS. Then third important, that is in this particular curriculum, there will be a basket of electives, not a single elective. Students supposed to pick the basket and go ahead. So the basket depending upon the domain. So we are working on that. And fourth, most important, that is the exit courses connected to the industries. So there are exit courses, especially from the first year, that is UG diploma, UG certificate course, second year UG diploma, so and then degree course. So especially we are targeting UG certificate courses and UG diploma courses to tie up with some industries. Already we have MOU with C4 I4 lab, especially to target the manufacturing sector. To target the thermal sector, we are tying up HVAC hub in Pune. Ashray, President USA is coming tonight. We are doing MOU with this. And today's invention, that is, we are also targeting the design sector with Dassault system and Infinite Solution. So these, accordingly, we will design some certificate courses through our BOS. So we have already completed almost the iteration 1 of the structure. It is being implemented from 25-26 from AC because FE is common to all. Infrastructure will look after the institute, and within no time they can provide the infrastructure. Students are already available. The main role is faculty. Faculty must be equipped to handle this curriculum. Otherwise, it will be a complete failure. So what kind of expertise faculty need to inculcate? The first one, innovation in teaching and learning. As per the NEP policy, we have to measure the learning. We have to measure the engagement of the students. So for that, we have to design some innovative practices, innovative teaching methodologies, as well as innovative assessment as well. Second, almost 60 to 70% is experiential learning. So faculty members must be expertise in the respective domain. Whatever the domain is there, he has to expertise in that particular domain. That is the second important task. Third important task, we have taken up this challenge that multidisciplinary courses to be taught by mechanical faculty. So definitely we have to inculcate interdisciplinary knowledge as well. And fourth important aspect, that is the most important we can have, that faculty members must use the technology. Because without technology, any field is not successful. Because to measure the engagement of the students, we have to use the technology like Moodle and some other. You can indigenous kind of technology, but you must get acquainted with the technology. Skill-based education, this is a part of skill-based education, and PVG is always ahead in that. I have attended जो म्हणतो ना आपला एडीपीचा जो मुहूर्तमोड होता रेडेकर साहेबांनीच तो अरेंज केला होता. डॉक्टर सीतारामन जे AICTचे चेअरमन आहेत त्यांनीच तो स्ट्रक्चरल रिफॉर्म्स इन एडीपी. That was wonderful one-day workshop. I have attended that particular workshop. So many more expected from PVG in coming future also, because it is a necessity that faculty training is very much essential to handle the curriculum of NEP. I am extremely thankful for PVG team and especially Dr. Bhunkar sir for inviting me and giving this honor. Thank you very much and all the best for your 2 days and enjoy learning. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for sharing these NEP implementation strategies and steps taken by the university. Certainly, we all faculty will ensure that whatever expectations are set by the university, we will try to fulfill those. Thank you once again. Now, I request the associate speaker, Mr. Ashish Kulkarni, to say a few words.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, everyone. And all dignitaries on dais. I won't take each name. Sorry for that. And just start with one typical statement that we do in our house or especially our government. Okay. Marathi माहिती सगळं.
Yes.
So आपल्या सरकारचं एक ब्रीदवाक्य असतं, मुलगी शिकली प्रगती झाली. बरोबर. त्याच्यामध्ये खूप मोठा अर्थ आहे. पण when it comes to Dassault system, I keep on telling this statement to my management in France that for us, it's teacher who, if educated well, can teach hundreds and thousands of students. And today we have gathered here to start that lesson, especially in association with IFS Academy. And thanks to PVG College and management for arranging this session. And I'm more than excited to interact with you very soon. And let's start learning together. Okay? Thank you everyone.
We are at the end of this inauguration ceremony. I now request our honorable principal sir to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good morning, one and all present in this meeting. This 5 days faculty development program on SolidWorks and a 3D experience. This is based on university syllabus. So I know that in previous days when FDPs were arranged, all colleges they were keen to send their faculty member so that uniformity will be there in teaching, and not only that, amongst the faculty that interaction is very, very important. And that part was fulfilled by arranging such type of FDP. But time has changed. Every college, so they are either affiliated or autonomous 50-50%. They are having their own syllabus. So everyone is following their own methodology. But one thing is very important, that uniformity has to be there. Methodology is one part, uniformity is another part, what we want to teach ultimately to a student. So this responsibility is shouldered by our college in connection with IFS learning system. So thanks for their cooperation for organization. One thing is very important. So many speakers, HOD sir, so they were stressing on infrastructure provided. So may I tell you, our visionary management decision and their policies are like this. We are not fulfilling the requirement by keeping the eye on the syllabus. We are fulfilling the requirement infrastructure by keeping the future demand in consideration. And that's why very good infrastructure we are having for these type of softwares and computer labs, high-end PCs, so servers and all these things. So thanks to my management. I, Manoj Taramale, principal of this institute, thanks ex-chairman Pune Vidyarthi Gruh, Shri Sunil Redekar sir for his presence, Dr. Rajendra Kaduskar sir, who is director of PVG and director of this institute, for his presence and continuous support. This is possible because of the POS chairman mechanical, Dr. P.A. Patil. So sir has accepted invitation and he is there. So two members from Dassault system, so Mr. Ashish Kulkarni and Mr. Milind Desai sir, so who are our resource person for this type of activity. And the two names, they are very important because they are backbone of this FDP, and that is nothing but Vikram Jadhav sir and Samir Latkar sir. So this is their initiative to bring the uniformity and what exactly university want and what exactly the mechanical department staff member should know through BOS Mechanical. So they have taken this initiative and they are supporting this workshop like anything. So thanks to them. My department mechanical HOD, coordinator, faculty members, so they are equally important in this organization. Last but not least, all participants who are getting benefited by having these 2 days offline and 3 days online workshop. So I think, so if you know very well, then only you can guide your student. All universities, all colleges, they are guiding or they are having the same syllabus. But the status of the college will be known outside, what you are bringing the value addition in that teaching. And I think all participants, they are there. So to teach this subject with good orientation and in depth, so they will get benefited through this workshop. So I welcome you all for this and without wasting my time and your time also. So I request the organizers to go for the further proceeding. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the input. We hereby declare that the inaugural ceremony is over. We'll take a short break of 5 minutes and thereafter here itself we'll take further 2 sessions by students.
I welcome you all on board. We are in this faculty development program. Thanks to Samir sir for getting this opportunity for all of us to learn more about 3D Experience software. Without wasting much time, I would like to introduce the speakers for today. So I would be pleased to introduce Ashish Kulkarni. He is our community's leader. He plays a vital role in shaping the workforce of the future through the strategic programs for academic adoption of the 3D Experience platform. He has been playing a global role of EDU community leader of the fastest growing academics user communities that are instrumental in transforming 3D Experience adoption journey for various academic customers worldwide. I am Milind Desai, playing a global role of industry process consultant with a rich experience in customer engagement and support. I am also playing a key role in enabling the learning content access for various academic institutes. This session is an overview session on how to get started your journey on the 3D Experience platform, and it's followed by a technical hands-on session conducted by Samir and his team. So with very less time, I would like to introduce. I let each of you introduce in one or two words your name and your details about where are you teaching and which department are you from. So let's introduce each one of us. We'll start from this side. Yes, sir.
Myself, Mahesh Madhukar Novel. I am faculty at Mechanical Engineering Department. I am teaching subjects like numerical methods and AI.
Hello, myself Dr. N.D. Jaiswal, faculty in the Engineering Department. Additionally, I am also having the post of Dean Industry, you would say. So, as for that, I am working since 20 years. Thank you.
My name is Ravish Sharma. I am from Dr. Deva Patel Institute of Technology, Pune. I am also a faculty advisor for Suprati, which won the first prize in the current Supra event, and where we have used the Dassault system softwares like Tetia and SolidWorks also. And also I have 2 years industrial experience where I worked with the SolidWorks only, where we used to design the pictures.
My name is Sajid Jain. I am completed in mechanical engineering and currently in private sector as a design engineer.
My name is Ramon Zote. I am working in the Mechanical Engineering College. So I am teaching the fluid division, transfer and
Myself, Sharad Mishra. I am from Seagal Institute of Technology, Lonavala. I am from Mechanical Department. I taught SMD, Solid Modeling and Drafting, Finite Element Methods, and CIM, Computer Design. And I have 14 years of experience in teaching.
Myself, Bhopal Loa, working as an assistant professor in AI College of Pune from last 12 years. And I am teaching kinematics of motion.
I am Professor J.S. Kulkarni. I am working in this PVG. I am working here since last 24 years. My total teaching experience is 31 years. My specialization is heat power engineering. So I teach the subjects related to thermal, applied thermodynamics, energy engineering, and this heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, and also industrial fluid power. And I am pursuing my PhD since last 2 years.
Hello everyone, my name is Amar Gajpee. I am from JSP Ratishov for the Engineering, working as assistant professor over there. I have entered designing subjects, and right now I am teaching intro subjects.
Yes, this is Professor Rohit Nankar. I am from Electrical Department. My master's in the control systems. I have a 6 years industrial experience in process automation, electrical instrument automation. So I am more interested in multidisciplinary staff bringing this format. Also, we have in electrical machine design that part of SolidWorks.
I am Dr. Sagar Hane, working in JSP College of Engineering as a faculty in mechanical department. I am taking courses of manufacturing related subjects. The purpose of joining this workshop is able to see what are the capabilities capabilities of 3D system and SolidWorks. Especially everybody knows about the 3D things we can do it. But as far as manufacturing is concerned, how we can implement those software or what are the features available so that I can teach manufacturing courses better to our students.
I am Professor Dassault from Mechanical Department RSU Tathwade, GSP. So my specialization in CAD/CAM. So I have got CAD/CAM, finite element, etc.
Dassault Carpentry. I am working in Trinity Group of Institutes. I am teaching on the design subject theory of machine design, computer aided engineering, etc.
Myself, Vishwanath Purwadi from Singh Institute. I have been there since 2013. I almost taught all the subjects of mechanical except thermal subject. So right now I am teaching design of transmission systems, and last year I taught artificial intelligence and machine learning. Thank you.
Good morning all. Myself, Govind Devke. I am from also same academy, Senior Academy of Engineering, Gurgaon campus. My specialization in CAD/CAM. I taught different subjects regarding that computer softwares, just like as NSM, numerical based system, CAD/CAM, computer aided engineering, computer aided manufacturing. In this, I use ANSYS as well as the MasterCAM for school path generation. And currently, I am teaching that is the computer aided engineering with implementation of ANSYS software. And there is a new lab, MACL lab, regarding that P.
Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Satyajit Kakar. I have been associated with JSPM Sarajushi Shahu College of Engineering from Mechanical Engineering Department. I am actually from Thermal and Fluids Engineering background, but currently I am also engaged with teaching for engineering drawing from the first year.
Good morning. Myself, Dr. Vikram Majan. I am from Mechanical Department, JSPM RSUA, and I am teaching machine design and engineering drawing.
Hello sir, good morning. My name is Anil Bisnoy and I am faculty in PVG Printing Department, and I have completed my Masters and Bachelors in Printing Department from Guru Jamdeshwar University, Haryana.
Myself, Dr. Shivakumar Ganesan. I am from Printing Department of PVG COET, and my PhD is from IIT Bombay. I am working on 3D printed electronic devices.
Good morning. I am Jeevan Kumar Sodwal, working in the Dattakala Group of Institution, and I am working there as a policy officer.
Hello, good afternoon, sir. Myself, Sachin Devle from PVG College, Mechanical Department. At present, I am dealing with the design of core subject like DME, DTS, and all. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon to all. Myself, Rohan. My specialization in aerospace engineering. I am working as assistant professor in Ajit Divai Patil University.
Good afternoon to all of you. Myself, Dr. Prasant Kumar. I am working as an associate professor in the Department of Space Engineering, and presently I am handling CFD, and we are here to just understand the SolidWorks and how we can implement in our program.
Good morning all. My name is Priyanka Burde, and I am a faculty of Mechanical Engineering Department in JSUE, Jayawantrao Sahni College of Engineering, Hadapsar, and I am currently teaching subject Computer Integrated Manufacturing.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Professor Amruta Ranore from Jayawantrao Sahni College of Engineering. The subjects which I have taught are solid modeling and drafting and computer aided engineering. Currently I will be taking assignments related to multi-body dynamics.
Okay, so let's get started, and let me quickly introduce my colleague Harshvardhan Rajagokhale. So Harsh is our technical expert, and he will be helping you right now in this session for some of the activities that we will do towards the end of this specific session. On top of that, I want to request you all that let's keep it interactive. Let it not be a classroom session like a teaching class. So we are happy to answer your questions. If we don't have answers to all your questions, we have a feature that we will explore where you can keep on connecting with us even after this session and build a good relationship with us as well. Okay? So Milind.
So
So Ashish, can you tell me what is this 3D experience platform about?
Yeah. So, Milind, before I answer the question, so I would like to understand from you very quickly. Have you used 3D experience platform? Any one of you? Okay, good. We have 2 members here. Have you used CAD tool? Yes. Have you used CAM? CAE? ELM? Have you used everything together in a single platform? Okay. So that is what 3D experience platform is. So it's a complete platform which has CAD, CAM, CAE, PLM. So it's a single platform where you have complete digital continuity of your data. Let it be starting from concept design, okay, then behavioral modeling of your design, then doing parametric design in CAD tool, then doing simulations, then even visualizing it, and then manufacturing planning of it. So Milind, yes. Do you want to add anything?
Definitely. So we have huge amount of data, and we all know the importance of artificial intelligence in making decisions, right? So this platform has intelligence apps which can analyze and get insights of your data, and this data can be inherently used while designing your applications, everything at one single place for making business decisions. And this platform is also for business and processes. You can design your process, you can track your processes on the platform, you can run your projects, you can have a single place of truth to visualize your project status live. So everything is connected behind. See, we have 3 important aspects: data, process, and people. All these 3 are well integrated into our platform, and that's how when you will harness the platform, power of the platform, when you will interact by designing the processes, by defining what needs to be done. You can define solutions by creating models, simulating those models, building those experiences for your customers, everything using a single platform. So you don't have to reach out for multiple platforms at the same time to integrate your projects.
Yeah. So just to quickly add to what Milind has said, is what we say with data is every 2.5 seconds a plane taking off has an engine designed with Dassault application. 70% of the cars manufactured in the world are designed and manufactured using our platform. And even a mixer in your home or some of the fashion components, those are designed with 3D experience platform. So let's try to understand. So I am not here to market the platform. I am here to explain you platform, because what we are teaching right now is a little bit of technology of yesterday. Let me be very frank. And what we want to teach our students is technology of tomorrow to get ready as a workforce of future. So let's have a quick view at the video. It's a little
Today, I've got approximately 2 minutes to tell you about our 3D experience platform and show you how it's amazing for your 3D projects. So, let's get to the basics. What is a 3D experience platform? Explanation. It's a platform that gives you access to a catalog of applications or apps, like the kids say these days. These apps allow you to design, simulate, and or collaborate on a project. Got it? Good. Let's imagine you want to build a hoverboard. There's nothing more than one person working on your project. For example, an engineer, a programmer, marketer, mechanical designer. Before, you used to work like this. No more. Now that you can work on a 3D experience platform. Oh yeah, the platform looks like this. It's pretty cool. First things first, you need to create a personalized dashboard. It's your own picked-out working environment. Then you can invite your friends and colleagues to hang out, kind of like a video game party. There but rather multiple apps designed to help you collaborate on the projects at hand. Every job position receives their own personalized package and therefore applications. For example, if you're an engineer, like this guy, you'll find all the apps you need to virtually simulate your hoverboard. And of course you'll have access to all the necessary collaborative applications that make it feel that you're in the same room, without having to be in the same room. Tourism. You can work on your project from anywhere, on any device. Got it? Good. With the 3D experience, everything is stored on the cloud. Not this cloud, this cloud. Which means that you can never lose it. Anyone can access the latest version of a project at any time in total security. Which means you'll never have to listen to this sentence again. Yeah. Which version is the version? Is the master good with the final or final master good? It also means that you can share what you want with who you want and keep what you want to keep private. Private. Thanks to these project management tools, each individual can share their agendas and progress. And because Dassault Systems is present in every industry, ciao, wonderful progress. Where can I sign you this? The 3D Experience platform is the solution you'll use for the rest of your career. So you might as well start using it now. Look at all the business opportunities it presents. Got it? Good. You want to create your own design, challenge yourself? Click on this link right here to subscribe. Right there. Just click it. Take your mouse, go over and just dick right there. Good job. Proud of you. Subscribe.
Yeah. So this was quite funny. But one point I would like to highlight is many of you have used SolidWorks, right? So where do you save your file? Desktop. That is on your computer. And what if it is deleted by mistake? How do you recover it? No answer.
Server, maybe sometimes we use server for that.
Okay. What if you want to give that file to someone or if you want to work together with them?
It's difficult. What's the problem?
Okay. So now 3D Experience platform along with SolidWorks, when you are working on SolidWorks, you can now save your data directly on the cloud, share it securely, and you can review it from anywhere, anytime. For example, for your students, if you are given an assignment, okay, and as we all know, you teachers are busy with not only teaching, but also some of the non-teaching activities and your day is exhausted, right? So if you want to review their designs, how do you do it? Do you want to carry that data with you, open it in SolidWorks? Is this the only solution that you have right now, right? So now with 3D Experience platform, it is stored on a secured place and you can review that data directly in the browser. You can give comments, you can ask to do some modifications and so on. So no SolidWorks installation even needed. Okay, so we'll explore it further. So
Yes.
So as I said earlier, we as the educators, right? We were teaching CAD, CAM, C, PLM, right? And collaboration was missing earlier. Now, for example, your last year projects, right? There is a team working on a project and they want to collaborate. They want to save the documents related to their calculations. They want to do some calculations. Someone is doing FA analysis and someone is doing the 3D design. And they come to you saying that, sir, your data hota, but मी त्याला दिला होता, त्याने analysis नाही केलं, मागं राहिलं, right? So you get such kind of excuses. So no more excuses. So you as a teacher can have look at their project at any point of time. The team member amongst themselves, they can also have the latest version of their data. There is no design one, semi-final, design one, final, design one, next iteration. Those things will not be the issues. So what industry is looking for, okay, is the resources who know how the industry is working. So I gave you example of 2.5 seconds every flight is taking off with our engine and so on. So to give you a classic example, a car used to take almost 5 to 7 years from concept to the market, right? But now you can see that almost every 1.5 years, a new car from the same company is coming, or the same version is, new version of each car is coming. So how this is possible? So this is possible because of all these tools integrated together, and single source of truth is available with the companies, even with their design partners. So industry is looking for integrated knowledge of all these applications, which is nothing but 3D experience platform. Do you agree? You can stop me anytime and ask questions. So this is I talked about industries, right? Now 3D experience platform by default is designed for companies. That is what we sell to the companies. Okay? But as a teacher, how you can make use of it? What kind of issues you face? Like we see video of Charles. Okay? So now let us have a look at a video of Dan.
Hello everybody, I'm Dan. Call me Mr. Dan. Not Dan 2.0. Whoa. You can't Dan from the future when it comes to this 3D experience.
Excuse me, what's the 3D experience?
Great question, Robert. The 3D experience is a multi-tool digital platform that will help this Dan with his teaching methods by improving his organization, his archiving methods, his remote classes, even by the way. How is this possible? What? Time travel? It's all in the numbers. Students on the roster, looks like you misplaced an assignment. If you're somewhere, I'll find it. Dan, listen, with the 3D experience, you'll never lose a document again, because all your files are stored perfect and secure. Right here, on the cloud. So everything is easily accessible and more sustainable. That's right, it's like we share the same mind. I can imagine other uses for this too, like archiving valuable data so you can build a repertoire of data sets that can be reused for later projects so you can raise the bar for your students' achievements. Not every project has to start from square one. Bingo! And you can use text for keyword research. Try it, like USB design. Missing documents on the USB key given to you by a student. I know, because I'm in the future. That reminds me, another big feature of the 3D experience is you can strictly access your students' assignments and never put your computer at risk again. Got it? Difficulties connecting with your students for remote classes? It seems so. Dan, drop your tongue into your phone. With the 3D experience, all that's you switch, which allows you to stay connected with your students and collaborate easily. Let's give control to
Yeah. So 3D experience platform is going to help you to stay connected with your students. You can have audio, video calls. You can have one-to-one conversations like we have on WhatsApp. Okay. You can store data on cloud, access it from anywhere, any device. Okay. So that we will do it right towards the end of this session as well. So what are the key takeaways from Dan 2.0? Okay. So how do we teach? Can we save time and efforts? Can we be more efficient? And can we have effective classes? So just discuss. I mean, if you have any point to discuss or any idea to share. Okay. Anyone? If you don't have questions, I have a question. Okay. So normally, how do you review your students' assignments, especially for CAT? Yes, sir.
students are supposed to draw the in front of us only. Many times it happens that 30 students are sitting around and we could not reach each and every student particularly. We can go one by one and asking them what are the tree that you have followed, what the path you have followed, and that way we evolve it.
Okay. And do you find that there are very, no need to stand everybody. So, do you always find that in a batch of say 30 students, only 3 or 4 are really working, the rest all are copying their data?
They may carry their pictures.
Right? And there is no way for you to find the uniqueness in each, or for you it becomes little difficult to give unique assignment to every student. Yeah. So I'm going to
basically the critical thinking about any perspective is missing into the design. What we are teaching them the traditional way. This is the dimensions. This is the joint. You have to draw it in 2D to 3D. You have to convert.
Right. And do you feel that if you give certain set of data to individual students which are not same, it will be more effective for teaching?
Definitely.
Yeah. Do you think that if your notes are kept at single place and students refer to those notes without you asking them to refer, or they know that okay, this specific, it's like your own YouTube channel kind of thing, but in a secured your platform way, will it be helpful for you? Yeah. Or for example, if you are working on a new concept, especially I understand that many of you might be doing your doctorate, okay, and you want to get help from your students because they will learn with you, and you want to do the main design or the mentorship, and they do the kind of design work, but in a collaborative way, and you have access to that. So it's a win-win situation. So your research is going on and they are working for you. At the same time, documentation of everything is done. Will that help you for teaching as well as for your own education? Yes. So that is where 3D Experience platform will definitely help you. Okay?
Okay, so let's see what does going beyond CAD means. Today we see that digital transformation skills are the most evolving skills, and this is digital transformation is the most evolving field, and it requires engineers to acquire skills in the emerging technologies such as virtual reality, augmented reality, Internet of Things, robotics, and so on. Emphasis is on creating and using sustainable and green technologies. Along with this, interdisciplinary and virtual collaboration is a key for global collaborative success. Data analytics and faster decision making is nowadays prevalent for you to be the market leader in whatever industry you are. And at the same time, you need to inculcate these analytics skills among the students, because they cannot be isolated from data from now onwards. And also the last very important point is for us as faculty members and also for the students is they have to adopt the culture of lifelong learning. The 3D Experience platform allows you to, and we have platform allows you to have ample opportunities to learn multiple applications at the same time. And at the same time, we have a lot of learning content available for you to enable your skills and for the students to have an access to this huge amount of learning content which can be accessed through their video space access, which we are going to cover in today's presentation. So this is another interesting story where TUTEL is an organization in Europe. They have made use of 3D Experience platform and they have adopted successfully 3D Experience platform. Let's have a look at their journey.
So anyone aware about what is TUTEL? So it's a technical university in Netherlands. So basically it is TU Munich, TUTEL, and they have their own research centers. Okay. So this is one of the real case study what they are doing. with platform. With the black shirt. Okay, so they are the teachers from TUDER who are teaching engineering, especially aerospace engineering with 3D experience platform. And I am in regular touch with them. It's just a marketing video kind of thing. It's just a testimony we have taken. Daniel has created his own tutorials integrated inside 3D experience platform. And now both of them are our educator champions. So what are educator champions? How do we connect with them? I will explain you very soon. But you all can also be like them with our community. You can also connect with teachers like them and collaborate. If you have any interesting idea that you think you can work with international professors, that is now possible.
So Ashish, can you let us know what are the different academic activities we can do on the platform?
Yeah. So till date we were doing only CAD teaching on the platform, CAD tools, right? So with 3D experience platform, what we can do is we can share assignments using 3D Swim. Okay? So 3D Swim is a tool or an app on the platform which you can also install on your mobile phone and start conversing with your team or other teachers. You can also create a 3D dashboard. So now normally when it comes to dashboard, we all used to see that only management team members in a company have a dashboard and it's what we call the MIS dashboard, right? So they want to have a quick overview of what's going on in the organization. But with 3D experience platform in education, you can create your own dashboard where you can see data, you can share your notes and everything through this. There is something called as 3D Drive. So 3D Drive is something like Google Drive and OneDrive, which also you can integrate inside 3D experience platform. And you can also save data in a secure environment which can be accessed from any device, anywhere. So let it be a document, Word or PDF, let it be CAD data, you can share it. You can also review student assignments. As I said, there is an app called 3D Play, where, for example, you give an assignment to create assembly of say 50 parts to 5 different students. Okay, so let's say everyone is creating 8 parts and there are 6 assemblies. And now we want to review them. So 3D Play is an app which doesn't need anything to be installed. So you can ask them to assemble, open that assembly in 3D Play, start reviewing, exploding, take cut sections, give comments, that is also possible. And collaborate with students, peers on the platform using communities and conversations. So what I'm going to show you is to connect with us on our EDU academics community to know more. So there are 2 types of basically community. One is you have your own server on the cloud, on which you can have communities inside your college or school for various topics. Whereas we have created 2 communities on a global platform. One for students, it is public. So any student with 3D experience ID can become member and take advantage of whatever data we have created, whatever learning material, or if they are working on some interesting projects, they can share it there. But for educators, it's a kind of little serious community. It is a private community. What do I mean by private is, it is only by access is only by request or only by invitation. So my objective is to make sure that we connect on that community today, okay, so that you will explore what contents we have to help you better for teaching and learning, of course. Okay. So if you want to explore what is going on system engineering, okay, currently you are teaching a topic, but in future you want to teach system engineering. Okay. So what Dassault have to offer you for teaching? If you are looking for some virtual labs, we have those. Okay. For example, now you are going to learn how to learn kinematics in SolidWorks, do motion analysis, but you don't have time to create multiple mechanisms to teach students, and you cannot have physical mechanisms of everything that you want to teach theoretically, right? So we have curated, in fact, few of my team members, they are creating a lot of mechanisms which you can directly use, download and use them for teaching. Simple 4-bar mechanisms. If you want to do some multiple what ifs, okay, so that is possible, and it is created for you only. So this is very interesting. This you will do hands-on. So I am very happy to share with you that post this session or this workshop, you will be given access by PVG on 3D Experience platform server that they have purchased on cloud. So you can install, use everything. So if you are using SolidWorks desktop, and I am saying it again and again, you can save it on CAD, on 3D Experience platform. So how you can do it? So there is a connector to the SolidWorks from 3D Experience platform. It is what is designed in SolidWorks or SolidWorks add-in. So what it does is when you click it for the first time, it will install on your computer. You can still start using your own old way of designing in the platform, in the SolidWorks, but your data will be saved on the platform through this connector.
Oh, that's so cool, Ashish. Yeah. So we can still continue to use our favorite SolidWorks software and
Yes.
SolidWorks and save our data on the platform.
Yes, yes, and not only that, so at Dassault, what we are trying to do is we are trying to create a learning experience for teachers who are currently using either CATIA V5 or SolidWorks standalone, and slowly they want to migrate their curriculum as well as their skills to the platform. So if you are connected with me or the community, we can definitely keep on sharing this information with you. Okay. Would you like to have such kind of information?
Yeah.
Great.
See, one more question I have is, Ashish, I know you have a solution for this. I do not want any installation of my PC, but still I want to practice design. Can you help me with a solution for this?
What do you think? Can we do this? Can we do CAD model?
Without any installation?
Yes. So have you used any such way of application? Which one? CATIA. Wonderful. So now we have a web-based CAD application because it has a text design. So it's also available for CATIA. It is also available for SolidWorks. You don't even need to install SolidWorks. You can start creating your 3D models directly from your mobile phone. If you want to try it on your iPad or tab, you can do that. You can open it even in your computer's browser. Okay. And you can also do an assembly, something designed in web and something designed on your SolidWorks desktop. So you can mix it together, mix and match. Yeah, so this is text design. Literally start from anywhere. Only thing is you need to have access to internet to access the application. Yes. So project planner. Okay. So does anyone aware or is anyone aware about a theoretical definition of what is a project? So when we go to industry or when we look at people who are project management certified, so थोडं मराठीत चालेल. नॉर्मली काय असतं ओरलमध्ये तुम्ही प्रश्न विचारला की काही जण पाठ केलेले उत्तर असे तोंडात भेटतात, राईट? तुम्हाला माहिती आहे याला जर पुढचा प्रश्न विचारला तर कदाचित त्यातला एक कीवर्ड पकडून तुम्ही जर त्याला डीपमध्ये जाऊन विचारायला सुरू केलं तर त्याला जमणार नाही, राईट? So the project की एक standard definition है. Project is a temporary endeavor which has a definite start, definite end, and within some cost and quality, and may or may not have an outcome. Right? It can be a process, it can be a product, but तो successful outcome येईलच अशी काही खात्री नाही. Okay. So हा माझा एक स्वतःचा एक favorite topic आहे बोला. When you look at a semester, a year, or even engineering, it is a 4 years project with 4 main milestones. त्याचे सब milestones. त्याच्यामध्ये प्रत्येक task आहे. One exam is a specific milestone, right? Similarly, when you are going to teach any topic or when you are going to work with students on assignment, they have one time bound, they have some deliverables, there is definite start and definite end, right? So how can you manage it better? प्रत्येकाबरोबर जाऊन विचारण्यापेक्षा, if you have a specific project created with tasks assigned to each student and you have access to their status at any point of time, will that help you? So we have that, and that is also integrated with your CAD data. Your CAD data can be deliverable, and then once the student submits and completes the task, you are notified that these many students have completed their assignment. Right? Yes, please.
morning everyone. I am Dr. P.A. Patil, working as a Board of Studies Chairman of Mechanical and Automobile Engineering. Today I have addressed the FDP program, which was on SolidWorks and related skill sets. It is organized by a Dassault system along with the IFS Academy. It is very good initiatives by both this academy as well as the institute company. And as per the national education policy, imparting skill is very important for the skill-based education. I give all the best to this particular academy and looking forward for great curriculum in coming future. Thank you.
पुणे विद्यार्थीगृहाच्या इंजिनिअरिंग कॉलेजच्या वतीने 2 दिवसाचं चर्चासत्राचं आयोजन करण्यात आलं होतं. बेसिकली इन्फिनिट कंपनी आहे त्यांच्या माध्यमातून आणि पुणे विद्यार्थीगृहाच्या माध्यमातून पुणे विद्यापीठामध्ये जो मेकॅनिकल डिपार्टमेंटसाठी जे काही फॅकल्टीज आहेत तर त्यांच्या डेव्हलपमेंटसाठी म्हणून जे काही भाग होता तो या ठिकाणी 2 दिवसाच्या कार्यशाळेमध्ये घेण्यात आला आणि SolidWorks 2024 आणि 3D एक्सपिरियन्स याच्यावरती प्रकर्षाने त्यांनी प्रकाश टाकला आणि जेणेकरून या 2 दिवसाच्या कार्यशाळेमधून त्या फॅकल्टीची जी डेव्हलपमेंट होणार आहे त्याचा उपयोग नजीकच्या काळामध्ये जे विद्यार्थी शिकतात त्यांच्या अपग्रेडेशनसाठी, त्यांच्या उदयासाठी आणि चांगल्या बेटरमेंट क्वालिटी एज्युकेशनसाठी त्याचा नक्की उपयोग होणार आहे. आणि संस्थेने अशा पद्धतीचे जे काही सॉफ्टवेअर्स आहेत तर ती इन्स्टॉल करण्यासाठी आवश्यक असणारी यंत्रसामुग्री प्रयोगशाळा सुसज्जपणे इथं ठेवण्यासाठी बऱ्यापैकी खर्च केलेला आहे आणि तो खर्च चांगल्या पद्धतीने युटिलाइज होईल, विद्यार्थ्यांच्यासाठी उपयोग होईल, फॅकल्टीसाठी उपयोग होईल अशी एक आमची संस्थेची मानसिकता आहे आणि त्या पद्धतीने त्याचा उपयोग होतो आहे याचा आम्हाला खूप आनंद होतो. आणि केवळ इन्स्टिट्यूट कुठलीही ग्रोथ होत असताना केवळ इन्स्टिट्यूटचं पार्टिसिपेशन महत्त्वाचं नसून त्यामध्ये इंडस्ट्रीचं आणि वेगवेगळ्या गोष्टींची सुद्धा त्यामध्ये इन्व्हॉल्वमेंट होणं गरजेचं असतं. त्या पद्धतीने इन्फिनिटनी आम्हाला जी काही मदत केली त्या पद्धतीने जे 2 दिवसाचं ट्रेनिंग दिलं फॅकल्टीना त्याबद्दल त्यांचे आम्ही धन्यवाद देऊ इच्छितो. आणि या ठिकाणी ज्या वेगवेगळ्या विविध कॉलेजेसमधून आलेले जे पार्टिसिपंट्स होते त्यांनाही पुढच्या नजीकच्या काळामध्ये त्याच्या डेव्हलपमेंटसाठी आणि पुढच्या शैक्षणिक कार्यासाठी शुभेच्छा देतो आणि थांबतो.
Good afternoon, I am Professor R.J. Galuskar, Director of Pune Vidyarthigras College of Engineering Technology and J.K. Patil, Wadi Institute of Management. I am very glad that the Mechanical Engineering Department has organized a 5-day workshop on Faculty Development Program on SolidWorks 2024 and 3D experience. Let me tell my experience as a director that we run the 7 engineering branches where mechanical engineering is one of the popular branch, and nowadays the students are more focused towards the software branches, but till the core branch mechanical has its own importance. And I am very happy that the mechanical engineering department of this college has taken initiative for development of various activities, like they have developed a robotics automation lab, they are having Dassault system 3D PLM product innovation lab, then they are having fluid mechanics labs, and they are having many more other labs with advanced technology support, with high-end workshops support. But as a part of curriculum, the PVG's Mechanical Engineering Department is always took an initiative to have the new things, the latest trend technologies to be deployed and will be beneficial to the students. As a part of this, the college has procured the SolidWorks software 60 licenses, and along with that the higher end PCs, which are each PC is having a server type of configuration, and all those 60 machines with the SolidWorks license, it was the facility available for the faculty development, the research innovation, internship activities and the overall development of the student. And as a part of this particular facility created, the Department of Mechanical Engineering in association with Savitribai Phule University has taken an initiative to have this 5 days FDP with a blended mode with 2 days online and 3 days offline, where all the experts from the industry will give inputs on the SolidWorks, the design, and as per the SPPU curricula of mechanical engineering, how this SolidWorks and 3D experience software will be beneficial to the students as per the curricula, and all those assignments and advanced assignments related to the SPPU curricula will be covered in these courses. And I am very happy that Infinite e-learning solutions, Mr. Vikram Dada as director and Samir Latkar as the technical director, they help us in conducting this workshop and supporting all these SolidWorks and all the PC support. At the same time, 3D experience, let me tell that for 7 years the Dassault system is associated with PVG, and they have sponsored a lab called as a product innovation, through which they encourage our students to do the hands-on practicals and develop some good projects. And really I am happy that along with 3D experience software and in support with Dassault system, we could achieve good projects and win prizes at top level. And as a part of that, definitely 3D experience, then Infinite e-learning solutions, all these two giants in SolidWorks and 3D experience join hand together with our college mechanical engineering department, and under the guidance of Savitribai Phule University and with the support of the Board of Studies Dr. P.A. Patil, it was possible that Dr. Bunker and all his team, that is Dr. N.G. Jaiswal and Professor M.M. Kamble, they had took the initiative and they have conducted this particular workshop. I am very happy to be the host of this, and I will expect the faculty will enrich with these inputs through the industry experts, and definitely they will give good inputs to the student so as to have their internship and projects, maybe mini projects, mega projects with the help of these softwares at their institutes. So my best wishes and all the best to this workshop and to all the participants. Thank you.
पुणे विद्यार्थी गृहास कॉलेज ऑफ इंजिनिअरिंग अँड टेक्नॉलॉजी अँड जी.के. पाटेवानी इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नॉलॉजी organizes faculty development program on SolidWorks and 3D PLM software in association with Infinite Solution Private Limited Company and Dassault System. This course was based on university syllabus to bring the uniformity across the teachers for the scope and teaching material. This workshop was arranged. Infinity Solution, they have contributed a lot in the sense making all the facilities available for the participant. Participants were from online and offline. Almost 40 plus participants, they got benefited from the various institute. The course is of 5 days in online mode and offline mode. As it is related to the software, hands-on practice is very important. Nowadays are gone where the FDPs were conducted in a discussion fashion, but just now the FDPs are in offline mode. At the same time, hands-on is very important. I think this workshop will help a student at large for bringing uniformity, creating awareness about these two software, and use of this software in their various projects and in career. So I thanks once again Infinity Solution for helping and Dassault System for providing their speaker to bring the awareness and teaching of these two software to faculty members from various colleges. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I am Dr. Manmohan Bhumkar, the Head of Mechanical Engineering of Pune Vidyarthigruh College of Engineering, Pune. It's an honor for our college, my department, to organize such an event, a FDP, 5 days FDP for the faculties to give the exposure, hands-on training on SolidWorks, 3D experience software and the CFD module. So Pune Vidyarthigruh Engineering College is always eager in adopting the changes which are need of the day to meet our student ready engineer, and I am very proud to say that we have purchased this SolidWorks software with these modules, and the 3D experience software is helpful definitely for our students and this is as per the demand from our placement officer. I am really thankful to the college management authority for giving me an opportunity to develop my computer lab with this software. Thank you.
Myself Samir Latkar, Technical Director, IFS Academy and Infinite E-Learning Solutions Private Limited. We are proud to represent ourselves as Dassault Systems, SolidWorks and 3D Experience authorized distributor in academic sectors of Maharashtra. We are continuously engaging with engineering colleges for providing Dassault Systems, SolidWorks solutions to mechanical engineering departments. Recently, we tied up with PVG College of Engineering and they procured SolidWorks 60 user licenses along with 3D Experience platform. To increase the utilization of these particular softwares in engineering colleges amongst various mechanical departments, we arranged a faculty development program which is focusing on SolidWorks software as well as 3D Experience platform. And the major challenge was how this software can be utilized by faculty of various colleges according to the SPPU syllabus. So we invited industrial working professionals who basically covered hands-on exercises as per the SPPU curriculum, and we trained the faculty and the faculty did hands-on sessions in the faculty development program which was organized by PVG. We got a lot of contribution coming in from the management, principal sir, director sir, as well as head of the department of PVG and the entire faculty for organizing this faculty development program successfully. And we got a very good response amongst most of the engineering colleges under Pune University from various cities, and they actively participated in the workshop. And eventually we managed to conclude the FDP as a grand success. I thank all the participants who came from various colleges for this FDP, entire management of PVG, the head of the department and faculty, and my entire team from Infinite and IFS Academy who made this event a grand success because of all their efforts. Thank you.
Hi friends, so this is Vikram Jadhav, Director Infinite E-Learning Solutions Private Limited, Pune. We along with PVG COE had organized faculty development program on 19th of January and 20th of January for the SPPU faculty in Mechanical Engineering Department. The content was the SolidWorks Software 2024. Using the software, we gave a hands-on training, conducted hands-on training session for the faculty, and we gave them hands-on experience along with the lectures or the guidance from the industry experts for this program. So we thank all the faculty members who had maximum members from the colleges all over the Pune. So 20 odd colleges participated in this event. Their representatives, the faculty were engaged in the 2 days hands-on session, and they enjoyed the session very well. So we would like to thank them all for coming here and attending this session. So thank you.
Hello, myself Dr. N.G. Jaiswal, working as Associate Professor in Mechanical Engineering of PVG's College of Engineering and Technology and G.K. Patewani Institute of Management. I got an opportunity to work as a coordinator of this FDP, which is 5 days FDP on SolidWorks 2024 and 3D Experience. In this FDP, the faculties from different colleges under Pune University came together in our college, and we provided them the opportunity to work on the different assignments as per the syllabus of SPPU. The faculty enjoyed all the sessions and they actually work on different softwares. So their feedback was very nice. I am very thankful to my head of department, principal and management for giving me this opportunity to work as the coordinator. In future also we will arrange such sessions on different topics for SPPU faculties. Thank you.
Good evening. Myself Mahesh Madhukar Kamble. I am a faculty of mechanical engineering in BBG's College of Engineering and Technology, Pune. I am one of the coordinator of this 5-day FDP on SolidWorks and 3D experience with hands-on sessions on finite element analysis, CFD, MBD and SolidWorks and solid modeling. The basic purpose of this FDP is to make the faculties aware of the various platforms that are available on 3D experience and SolidWorks. Here we are doing FEA, CFD, BMD assignments as per the SPPU course curriculum, and we are making them aware how this is going to help the students from these faculties. This platform provides, this is a single platform which provides all the different analysis such as CFD, BFD and FEA on a single platform. On this occasion, I thank my head of the department, my principal and my management for giving me an opportunity to conduct such type of program. I am sure that the students community will very much be benefited from such type of program. Thank you.
I am Dr. Vasaraj Kakanki from the Trinity Group of Institutes, and since last 2 days I am attending this session physically, and quite interesting, and all the demonstrations were very nice by the instructors, and also we have experienced hands-on on the PCs. That was also excellent. All the materials were provided, and there was expert help also in between, and especially I have seen all the participants were keen to learn throughout the day. So this workshop is really good and helpful. All the best.
Hello, Namaste. Myself Professor Rohan Muchendra Pange. I am working as an assistant professor in mechanical engineering department, PVG CUT. So in our college we have arranged 2 days FDP program which is on SolidWorks association with IFS Academy. So during these 2 days FDP work, so I am very much thankful to Professor Dr. M.M. Gumkar sir for giving me the opportunity to give the service or to help to all the candidates for their snacks, tea and lunch. Also I am very much thankful to Professor Dr. N.G. Jaiswal sir and Professor M.M. Kamble sir for coordinating these things and trusting on me to serve to our faculty members. So I am very much thankful again, very much thank you to Dr. M.M. Gumkar sir for giving me this opportunity. Thank you very much.
Professor Suraj Jivan Kumar came from the Kala Group of Institutions. I have been attending this program since last 2 days, and very much interactive sessions are there. From the beginning of part modeling to simulations, all the sessions are very good, and the instructors who are giving the instructions, they are very much helpful, and we got to learn much more interesting things in this session.
Hello, my name is Amar Gajwe. I am assistant professor in JSPM Dassault College of Engineering. I came across with this FDP through my colleagues, and this FDP in PVG College of Engineering, it's very helpful for us as from the design background. It gives us a hands-on session on SolidWorks modeling, part modeling, simulation, then lots of knowledge we have got from here. So thank you so much PVG College of Engineering and its faculties.
Hello, myself Dr. Sagar Dage. I am coming from JSPM Group of Institutes, Dassault College of Engineering. I am faculty in Mechanical Engineering Department. This session organized by PVG College is a very excellent one. We come to know how the SolidWorks can be integrated with the traditional courses like engineering drawings. then various other covers like multi-body dynamics, fluid dynamics in this workshop. So this workshop is very excellent considering the new education policy, and I am sure that students will be get benefited through these kind of sessions through us. Thank you.
My name is Dr. Sivakumar Ganeshan. This workshop was really very much useful for me. Actually, I am from different background. Okay, I learned a lot after attending this session. And for example, some of the problems related to this fluid dynamics is very much useful for me. And I used to work on some sophisticated inkjet printers. For me, it seems very much interesting for me. And also the presentation by the presenter is very good. All the presentations and the everything was very good. The arrangement was very good. And also I thank the mechanical department of PVG COET for arranging this wonderful session. Thank you very much.
Myself, Rohan, assistant professor from Ajinkya D.Y. Patil University. This 5 days program of hands-on experience on SolidWorks is very useful. Last few years I am working with traditional CATIA and ANSYS, but today I learned little bit about SolidWorks and simulations, everything. These sessions are very good. Speaker cleared all the doubts. Yeah, it's thanks for PVG.
Hello, my name is Yogesh Karna. I am from Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Technology, Pune. I have been in association with IFC Academy. They have informed me about this FDP into the PVG college. It is really wonderful. Here we have experienced the power of 3D Xperia through SolidWorks, and the usage of this is very useful for the students because it has several advantages. Like it avoids the time losses. Also, it avoids the complexity of the regular traditional method of simulation. So I am very much thankful for PVG to arranging such kind of wonderful FDP. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Amruta Ranawre from JSPM College of Engineering. I am attending this workshop from last 2 days. It was very useful and informative workshop as it has provided the easiest way to use the 3D model as well as simulation software. I am very thankful to the expertise. They have cleared the doubts, as well as I am thankful to PVG for arranging such a beautiful workshop.
Myself, Dr. Vikram Mahajan from JSPM RSCV. I have attended this FDP on SolidWorks arranged by PVG College of Engineering, and this workshop is very useful to teach me my subject engineering drawing and solid modeling. Thank you.
I am Dr. Satyajit Kasa, faculty in mechanical engineering at JSPM Rajarshi Shahu College of Engineering, Pune. I attended this workshop on application of SolidWorks organized at PVG College of Engineering and Technology, Pune, in association with Infinite Factuly. And they arranged the sessions were very nice and very systematic. It gave me a good insight on the power of the SolidWorks or sketching and for drafting. As well as on the second day we came across the very useful application of SolidWorks in of analysis for solid as well as matrix. So I wish that further insights will be given in the future also and by this. Thank you. Hello, I am Dr. Satyajit Kasa. I am faculty in mechanical engineering at JSPM Rajarshi Shahu College of Engineering, Pune. I have attended this workshop which is organized at PVG College of Engineering and Technology, Pune, in association with Infinite Learning. this workshop on SolidWorks gave us a very insight on the power of SolidWorks for drafting and sketching for engineering drawing. This could be of great help for the young budding engineers. Also, on the second day, we came across the power of analytical tools, especially in solids, as well as application of the analysis in liquid and gas domains. So I wish that this kind of short-term training programs can further give us some more boost in the field of research and analysis. Thank you.
Yes, good afternoon. I am Manoj Joshi from Sinhagad College of Engineering, Vadgaon campus, Pune. I am very much delighted to attend this particular workshop, and SPPU, that is Savitribai Phule Pune University, has launched a few altogether new subjects like mechanical system analysis laboratory, and which is covering multi-body dynamics as well as computational fluid dynamics. Now, through this particular workshop of SolidWorks and FEA, CFD, MBD and kinematics and solid modeling, if you can see this particular booklet, it is very much clearly given the how to study and how to complete the assignments, etc. And the kind of expertise which the IFS Academy and those people are possessing is marvelous, and all of us are very much benefited from this particular course. I must thank the PVG management, especially HOD Dr. Bhumkar sir, Dr. Jaiswal, Professor Kamble, and all the organizing committee as well as IFS Academy to conduct this particular workshop very nicely, which is very helpful for all mechanical students, faculties. And this is a very nice initiative for this particular faculty development program for MSA. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon. My name is Devge Govind. I am from Sinhagad Academy of Engineering, Kodwa campus. This session is very helpful for the student as well as the faculty. And the software is well. It is nothing but all-in-one software, that is the simulation, design as well as the molding software, you can say. And it is easy to operate. And IFS Academy is the expert is well organized, giving the well teaching, and what are the steps which are followed in depth is very good. And PUG College arranged this session or this workshop is well organized. There is no any issue for the faculty or there is no any technical queries. Thank you for this.
Good afternoon, I am Professor V.D. Gadge from Sinhagad College of Engineering, Vadgaon. Today is 20th January 2024 and I am at PVG College of Engineering, Pune. I have been here since last 2 days offline attending the faculty development program on CFD, MBD and FEA analysis. The session was very nice and useful, and the hospitality of the college is also good. Thank you. The total session of the 5 days, 2 days offline and 3 days online. So it's good for us and useful for the enhancement of the education in the particular field.